Hey guys, this is Game Hack, and today we're going to take a closer look at user inputs variables, and we're also going to look at some mathematical operations. We will first start off by writing number 1 is equal to 30, number 2 is equal to 60. These can be any numbers. This is up to you. I just chose 30 and 60. Now we could type in print number 1 plus number 2, and this will add them, and it will write 90 as the output, as we can see. Let's delete this and let's get a user input. So let's write number 1 is equal to input bracket quotation marks. What is your first number? Because the user is going to input this number. Now let's write number 2. Now we could go ahead and actually print number 1 plus number 2. And I made a mistake. Let's quickly fix that. Number 2. There you go. Now we can see number 1 plus number 2, and this should run. So it asks, what is your first number? We wrote 10, 20, and we can see the output is 10, 20. It did not add them. It just wrote 10, 20. It literally just took the first input that the user gave, and it just put it right after the second input the user gave. So it wrote 10, 20. And if, for example, if you write 60 and 70, it'll write 60, 70. We could fix this by telling Python that the user is inputting an integer. We can do this by writing int around the whole input. Now when we run the code and we write the first number as 50 and 30, the output is 80. That means that it is working. Now we could do the same by subtracting number 1 with number 2. So let's give the first value as 100 and the second value as 50, and the answer is 50, which we know is correct. Now we can multiply number 1 and 2 by taking an asterisk, which represents multiplying. So what is our first number? 10, and the second number is 10, which gives us an output of 100. Now finally division, which is just a /. So 10, or we can type in 100, and 10, it gives us 10.0, which is correct. If you guys want, you guys can decorate the answer by typing in quotation marks plus number 1 divided by number 2. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll have a look at conditioning statements,